On my way to Hoi An, I stop at an oyster farm. Fishermen are busy harvesting and processing. Sitting atop of the Hoi An Pass, the Hoi An Gate is one of the most interesting attractions in Danang. It's constructed in the 19th century by the king for purpose of national defense and security. After being destroyed and abandoned, the site was restored completely in 2024, making it become a new attractive tourist spot. I made a stop in Danang at the Golden Dragon Bridge.
Deze wil ik wel allemaal stukken marmer hier. Oh, die was ook hier.
I made a visit to the Marble Mountains. This is a group of 5 limestone peaks situated 7 kilometers from downtown Danang. The 5 carts are named after the 5 elements: metal, water, wood, fire, and earth. Over centuries, the Marble Mountains has held a special significance for people of central Vietnam. The ancient gem revered the cast as a spiritual site, and Vietnamese emperors from Hue and legendary generals passing through paid visits to the peaks, adding to their store of legends. Today, the Marble Mountains is home for a network of caves, tunnels, towers, and pagodas built by the Mahayana Buddhists and the Nguyen dynasty kings.
driving now with this electric car to our restaurant and have some lunch over there.
Finally, I arrived in my hotel in Hoi An. I stay here for 3 nights.
Links dan.
I'm now in the old town of Hoi An, and as you can see here is the famous lake with little boats. And as you can see here, last month there was floods over here, and the water is still over here. The road is blocked by the water, but it's better than a month ago.
Đi mình mãi lên, con đường xa này mình mãi đi, lính điều xa mình mãi lên.
Any barbecue?
Scheepbrug, hè? Scheepbrug zit daar, verder rechts. Ja, ging me nog een broek vandaan.
Hello, hi. Hey, hello, Panyo. Banana tala.
Banana. Nutella.